Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Changing the terminal folder saves time by opening terminals in your project directory. You avoid manual cd commands each time you open a new terminal. This guide uses the settings JSON approach because it is reliable and explicit. Open Visual Studio Code and press Ctrl+Shift+P to open the command palette. Type Preferences, open Settings, JSON, and press Enter to open Settings. JSON. You can configure the setting globally or inside a workspace file for different projects. Add terminal, integrated. CWD with the full path or placeholder to settings. JSON. Use an absolute path such as C/projects/myapp or /home/user/projects/myapp depending on your system. On Windows, use double backslashes when typing paths inside the JSON string. Alternatively, use to open the terminal in the active workspace root automatically. Place the setting inside the root JSON object. No nested arrays or comments. Save settings, JSON, and close the file. Restart or create a new terminal to see the updated default directory after editing settings. JSON. If the setting seems ignored, check for workspace settings overriding your global configuration in Vscode/settings. JSON. Use when you want the terminal to open next to the active file instead of the workspace root. Ensure there are no syntax errors in settings. JSON, such as missing commas or mismatched quotes. Finally, test on both integrated shells, like PowerShell and Bash, to confirm consistent behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.